2013 organizers and participants. Warm greetings from the Philippines. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jacqueline Rojales, a senior agriculturist at the Bureau of Soils and Water Management. I was given the privilege to be one of the participants of the 2010 TCTP training course on integrated biodiversity and ecosystem management. The objective of that training gave emphasis on the concept of integration among various agencies as a key to success in conservation efforts. So, with that, together with 18 participants from Tanzania, Papua New Guinea, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course Malaysia, we were able to learn about the importance of integrating different components, research and education, as well as public awareness in the success of biodiversity and ecosystem management. So to all participants of this year's training course, I'd like to say welcome to Sabah. Enjoy your stay as much as I enjoyed mine during 2010 and learn all you can. Thank you!